Boom. Mechanical ring by ACEdc. Is that how you say it? ACEdc? I don't know. I hear some people, it sounds like they say ACDC, which I'm kind of not into because honestly, I can't stand the band ACDC. But yeah, I think that's it. Let me know in the comments if I'm saying it wrong. ACEdc. I think the E, this shares it. You know, you share the E. I don't know. Okay, so mechanical ring. It's new from them. Kind of similar to the Lottie mechanic ring, except this one is all mechanical. I believe the Lottie mechanic ring has magnets. Before I open it though, I was realizing that there's a bit of a backstory to why I wanted this so bad. And it goes back to ever since I can remember, I've always been fascinated by the sound of ratcheting. You know, here. So this is a tool that I keep around because I don't really use it that much. It's a scaffolder's wrench, but it makes this ratcheting noise. See that little, I guess that's a ball bearing down there. And then there's teeth, and they're clicking on those teeth. That to me is so good. But it's a little big to just have that on my finger. So when I got into this whole fidget thing, and then I realized they were making rings to emulate that ratchet noise, I went, oh, okay. There's definitely other people like me who are looking for that. Now I know that this ring isn't going to be as profound and loud as this, but if there's any makers watching this, check this out. Figure this out somehow, because that's crazy. That's a really good noise. Okay, let's see how this one stacks up. I think, yeah, this is my first fidget ring. My second mechanical fidget. I have the Top D I just got the other day. Amazing. And my first fidget from ACEdc. I'm just going to call it ACEdc. Sounds cool. Okay. That. I can't even remember which one I got. I think I got the stainless steel titanium. Yeah, that rings a bell. Little Pinocchio. That's all it reminds me of, is little Pinocchio. Pinocchio skeleton. I like it. I freaking love stickers. I don't know if you know that. Carry every day. Nice. I thought I said Gary every day when I first read it. There should really be, I want a sticker that says, use your shit. Or I use my shit. Okay, so 2 extra springs and only 1 extra ball bearing. Seems weird. Good weight to it. What else we got? Anything else? Probably not. Nah, I can tell there's nothing in there. I don't care right now. I just want toy. Toy, toy, toy. And that already has one on there? I think so. Why do they always do it at the bottom? Okay. All right, what do we got here? Yes. Oh, it's subtle. I was almost worried that it was going to be way too loud to use, say, when I'm driving in the car with someone. But I could have that in my pocket. And I don't think anyone could hear it too badly. Too badly? Too much? Too much. Okay, so it doesn't have this on. So I think, yeah, I think the middle's supposed to be titanium. And then obviously stainless steel there. So is this thing just stretchy stretch? It is stretchy. There we go. Oh yeah, I actually like that better. Oh yeah, way better. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Very into that. Recommend. Mechanical ring. Oh, check how smooth it is in there. It actually it's really comfortable. Like, fits really nice just there on your finger. I don't think it's gonna make it past any knuckle. Except there. Can't really use it there though. Uh-oh. There, I got it. Yeah, definitely meant for the index finger. Just for a comparison, so much louder. This is perfect. I knew I was gonna like it when I saw it. I was right. Okay. There you go. Yep, that's a buy. That's a keeper. That's a win. That's dope. If that sound makes you feel good right now, trust me, it's better in person. Cool. All right, happy ratcheting, you guys. See you later.